Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming where the contacts lived: iCloud, Google, Exchange, or your phone. Once signed in, go straight to the Contacts app and open Recently Deleted or Trash. Many services keep items for 30 days. Make sure sync is on and you're on Wi-Fi because large restores require a stable connection. If you have a computer backup, connect the device now. Don't waste time toggling unrelated settings. Focus on account and sync status first. Now you perform the restore. For iCloud, go to iCloud. Right arrow account settings, right arrow restore contacts, and pick a snapshot. This rolls back contacts for all synced devices. For Google, open contacts, right arrow more, right arrow undo changes, and select a time window. If you have an iTunes/Finder backup, restore that backup or import a VCF or CSV export. Use third-party recovery only if backups fail, but make sure you finish by verifying the restore. Open contacts, refresh and force a sync, and inspect each account individually so nothing is hidden by filters. Merge duplicates and clean labels, then export a current VCF as an immediate backup. If contacts are still missing, check account sync toggles, look for older backups, and consider reputable recovery tools as a last resort. If you can't find a snapshot, act fast. Overwritten backups are often unrecoverable. Double-check every account and backup location first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.